Hey everyone, it's Deb here from Deb's Greenhouse, and we've got today's top 5 plants, and I can see there is dirt on my face. We were out in the garden. Okay, so we're gonna start with Argryanthemum. So this Argryanthemum is called Butterfly, and it gets really tall, about 2 feet tall, 20 inches to 2 feet tall, super bushy, and it's gonna bloom these beautiful yellow daisies all summer long. I use this in the center of a mix we've done called Country Garden Planter. Really great centerpiece in a sunny flower pot that you just want a lot of color. A lot of times we use grasses or other foliage in the middle of a pot, but if you've got a big planter, like 18-20 inch planter, you can definitely put one of these Argryanthemum right in the middle. It's going to be spectacular. Fill it up with petunias or something else around it. You can also put these in flower beds. They're a little too tall for window boxes, but planters and flower beds, they do fantastic. They're way too tall for hanging baskets. But yeah, that is Argryanthemum, and it's the butterfly type. Okay, our next plant for today's top 5 is a climbing potato vine. So there's different types of potato vine. These were just developed a few years ago. What's awesome about these climbing ones, and they're called Solar Tower. So Solar Tower Ipomoea. Ipomoea is the word for potato vine, black. We also have it in lime green. The black one has the heart-shaped leaf, and it's more aggressive. It can go in full sun. The lime climbing potato vine can also go in full sun, less aggressive. This one will easily get 4 to 5, 6 feet tall. The other one, about 3 feet tall, we have experienced. But again, they can go in full sun. So you could put this in a hanging basket, which we did. We tried some in hanging baskets. Gonna have to check on them, see how they're doing. And or it can go in the ground, or it can go in a planter with like a trellis or an obelisk. So that is a beautiful potato vine. Our next plant for today's top 5 is this beautiful double flowering petunia. These ones just started opening, and it is this gorgeous like bubblegum pink color. This is going to really spread and trail. Some of our doubles are more compact, but these ones have more space between the leaf nodes. They just have that naturally. So these are going to be fantastic in big planters and in hanging baskets. You could put them in the ground as well, or like some raised beds. Sometimes people have like a beautiful brick bed in front of their house. You could definitely put doubles in there. Doubles do need deadheading. I find that they don't clean themselves as good as some of the single petunias. So you're just going to want to pinch those out when they're all done. I'm not going to pinch this one because it's so pretty and I don't want to ruin the bloom. But this is a gorgeous one. It is called Pink Vogue. So Vogue is a series of double petunias, and this is the pink one. And petunias need to go in right in full sun, a minimum of 6 hours of direct light all the way to full sun. So it could go on the east side, the south side, or the west side of your home. Our fourth plant for today's top 5 is this gorgeous Dahlia. So these are dahlias that we've grown from bare roots, and this is called Fairway Spur. So this is a giant dinnerplate dahlia. And the blooms are going to be like a dinner plate, honestly. Does it show me on here? It doesn't show me. But look at the color of that. We also have Cafe au lait and one called Kelvin Floodlight. So they're going to be big, like as big as my face big, the blooms. And they're going to grow tall. So about 40 inches tall. So give this some space. Great in a flower bed or a really large planter. And yeah, gorgeous. We don't have the dinner plate dahlias every year, but we do have some this year. Our last plant for today's top 5 is a geranium that is highly sought after, but not for the bloom. So this is called a Citrosa geranium or citronella. And even if you just walk by them, you can smell this beautiful like lemony citronella smell. Now they are marketed to keep mosquitoes away, but we have found if you actually want to keep mosquitoes off of you, you got to plant this, but then you need to rub the leaf and do this and just get that lemony scent on your body. No one who's ever bought it from us has ever had some sort of reaction. It's I would say try it. Even babies and stuff, people have put this on their babies. So even you can just put it on your clothing. You don't have to put it right on your skin, but it is grown to keep mosquitoes kind of away. So you can put these in planters. These are going to get really big. Like when I'm talking big, here's the bottom. It's going to be way up here and bushy, like a nice little shrub size. You can winter geraniums in the house. You just bring it inside, put it in a sunny window, grow it in the wintertime. Beautiful. So yeah, that is the, oh yeah, it's called No More Mosquitoes. So this is the No More Mosquitoes geranium. And yeah, they smell amazing. I wish you guys could all smell them through the camera, but definitely come take a look. That's it for today's top 5, and the greenhouse is open from 10 to 7 every day. We'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.